In today's video, we'll be having a top-down analysis on step index price action basically. So stay to the end of the video to get every detail on this analysis. If you're new to the channel, do it to hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support. Always engaging my videos, liking, viewing, commenting. It means a lot. Let's do more, guys. Let's do more. So on step index, you can see on the 3 time frame that the market has been on a downtrend basically. You see the market direction. Market creating lower highs and lower lows. Yeah. So let's identify our levels and zones. We have this level as a resistance level. You know, the market has traded on it in the past. And we have this zone as well as a support level, turned resistance. Because we've seen at this point that the market bought up from this zone. It bought from here as a support, bought from here as a support, broke below it, came back to retest it, support, turned resistance. Level has been an important level basically, and now the market is trading below this level as a resistance. So let's identify our next possible level of support. We have at this point, market bought from here in the past, came back to test it again. That's why he said that analysis is basically using past market movements or market reaction to predict future market movement. So someone who was able to predict a buy from this same level, because it was seen that the market bought up from here as a support, will definitely make something out of the market by buying from this zone. Yeah, so that's it at this point. That's our key zones and levels identified on the day time frame. So let's head to the 4 time frame basically to know our possible levels and zones. We have a zone at this point. Let me identify it. We have a zone here as a support on resistance. We've seen at this point, market sold off from here as a resistance, sold from here as a resistance, bought from here as a support. We kind of getting the market testing this level again. And are we to call this a fake breakout of this our level, or is this a proper retest on this our level of resistance for a sell continuation to the downside? Is this a fake breakout, or are we getting the clear breakout like a retest of this our level for a buy continuation to the upside? So that's what we're looking at for in this analysis. So coming to the 4 time frame, you've seen that we've had this massive bullish move to the upside. We got this massive bullish move to the upside here. So what was this trying to tell us? And I saw information on the daily time frame, basically a supply level, which is an important zone we have to identify. And we kind of got the market to give us a test on it, and we are having this sell-off, a rejection to the downside. So are we to get a sell-off? Is this fake breakout actually a move to counter this our supply level at this point? This massive bullish move that we got in the past days, are we to expect the market to come fill it up with the sells? You know, so we're looking into all of that here. So on the 4 time frame, we've seen that the market gave us this rejection at this point. We got this candlestick rejection at this zone. We got the market rejecting at this point, and we have this level 2, which the market broke out of, which could act as a support. So you have 2 levels to watch out for: this level to short from this zone, and this level to watch out for the market if the market is to give us a bounce off from it, or to give us a break below it for a further sells to the downside. So we've seen that the market is reacting on a supply level, a data average supply level, and we got this power time frame candlestick rejection at this point. So what's the 1 hour time frame saying? We kind of got a decrease in buy pressure at this point. This could mean that we could be seeing a possible sell in the coming hours on step index. This is like a reduction of the buy pressure, because we have seen in the past move that we got that the market has always moved smoothly to the upside. Now it got to this point, start giving us this choppy move to come test this our supply level here. So likely we have to get the market to give us a break to the downside, because this is kind of an ascending channel formation, which is a nice bearish reversal pattern. Let's identify it properly. We have the channel at this point, so we could see step index give us a sell to the downside in the coming hours. It's clear at this point, because the market is reacting on a supply level, a data range supply level, adding on to this ascending channel formation that we got at this point. So let's look at for the 15-minute time frame to see the market structure basically. So on the 15-minute time frame, we have some sensitive levels basically. We have this level as a level of support. We have to watch out for this level for a market reaction on it. And before we take our sells, before we short this index, we have to first watch out for this level. We have to make sure that this level is broken. We have to make sure the market takes up this level, like breaking below it, you know, giving us a retest on it before we short. We can't just short at this particular point. We have to wait for the market to give us a break below this our level, then a retest on it for a possible sell. That's the perfect sell level at this point. Generally, I'm looking out for the sells on step index. I'm expecting the sells in the coming hours and days to come fill up this massive gap. We got this massive gap. The market needs to come fill it up, you know, with the sells in the coming days and hours. So that's my prediction basically on step index. And on this level, we have a demand level here. We have a bullish order block at this point, which could be very sensitive. So you can as well take advantage of this level for a short-term buys to come test our trend support that got broken, that will be broken, or that may be broken, turn resistance, because this is our support trend. So market could give us a sell to it, a sell out of it, like a breakout of this our support trend, then a retest from this our bullish order block to come test our trend support on resistance, for the sells to the downside. So in either ways, you're looking to short step index, from this point, you're looking to short from this our level if you can get a break and retest of our trend support on resistance, and as well looking to short at this point as well if you can get this our level of support, our horizontal level of support broken, turn resistance, we're shorting from this point as well. And we can as well take advantage of this trade, short-term buys at this point. We could take advantage of this trade if you can watch price action closely on this level. Maybe you can go lower to the 1 minute time frame to watch closely on market reaction on this our level, on this our identified bullish order block, to take the buys on step index, the short-term buys basically. So that's my view on step index. That's my market analysis. But overall, I'm expecting the sells in the coming hours and days on step index. So you guys should watch out for this analysis, and smash the like button if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And to my returning viewers, a big shout out to you guys for let's engage in my videos, the support. Let's do more, guys. Let's do more, and do have a wonderful day. Peace out.